you standing there. I'm Mom, and this is Son, and this is an episode of Ye Humble Cooking Show where today we are making an egg roll in a bowl. This is something we've done online, or looked up online, and we kind of made it our own. We've been playing with this for a while. The key is we want a delicious, nutritious, easy to make meal that when you are hungry, you can get it done in a hurry. And that's what this is. This recipe calls for a pound of turkey
and an onion chopped,
fresh ginger or garlic, soy sauce, sesame oil, cayenne, powdered ginger if you don't have fresh ginger, and at the last minute we throw in some fresh herbs with lime or lemon, and again garlic. You can't say garlic enough. You'll also
need to shave some carrots, chop some peppers, and dice some green onion.
Also, you'll need vinegar. You'll also need a cabbage, and if you want to learn how to cut a cabbage, we've got a video for that. But for now, here's this. Oh, hi, you're back. So we're already browning. This one got a little brown. You want to be careful with turkey because it doesn't have a lot of fat. And if you leave it on too long, and because we were messing around with some stuff, we left this one on a little long. So what I did for that was add a little hot water. This guy's just perfect though. We're gonna add onion to half of them. And why 2 pans, do you say? Good question. You're thinking, and I appreciate that. We're doing 2 pans because the cabbage is huge. It's like a big mountain, and it shrinks down while we're cooking, so we want to have room so we don't mess up the whole stove, or at least not too much. Go ahead. So Son is adding half onion in each one of those, and I have some fresh ginger, and I'm doing the same thing. If you don't have fresh, that's no worries. You can do powdered ginger. And I've got some herbs, but notice I'm not putting those in just yet because I want to wait towards the end to keep those flavors on top of what we're cooking down right now. We're going to add bell pepper, and again we're splitting it. Now you don't have to split it like right at this point. You could brown and do all of the vegetables and stuff in one pan, and then when it comes time to add the cabbage, you can split it. We've done it both ways. And now's a good time to add some heat. If you like it spicy, cayenne pepper, and we do. We like it a little spicy, so we're putting a little bit of that cayenne in both of these. And for a little smoky flavor, we're adding paprika. This is a good time to add paprika, which is not hot, but kind of gives it a little smoky flavor. Right, and then we add our carrots. Yeah, we shredded carrots for this because, I don't know, have you ever, when you're eating an egg roll, have you ever noticed sometimes they'll have carrots in that? And I'm always trying to sneak vegetables in so we get plenty of vegetables, not just cabbage. So we tried that, and we like the color too. Especially if you use like in this case, we've got a yellow or orange. What's the bell pepper? Yellow or orange? Anyway,
Yellow.
It kind of matches the carrots, but it's kind of cool if you do red, because then you got red and orange. If you're a color palette person, I kind of like seeing multiple colors. We're gonna put a little pepper in. You want any water? Again, I don't want to dry out this turkey, so water. Okay, so we're gonna add soy sauce. And really this is just to flavor. So this time we're using the most cabbage we've ever used, which is 2 heads of cabbage. So we put this in. And you know, I added water earlier. Well, that kind of can steam the cabbage if you leave that on top. So you see how it's kind of taken over the pan? But we'll add our fat after this shrinks down a little bit, which is the sesame oil. And we'll come back when everything's done. It's summertime, you got fresh herbs, throw a little of them in. This is basil and dill. And I got an herb garden for my birthday, so I'm gonna put some of those in, and some scallions we're throwing in. This is right, we're nearly done. And one more thing that we do, fresh lemon. In addition to the, vinegar. We gotta do the vinegar. This might cut it. You can use, you need an acid, And we're using fresh lemon juice and lime juice here, but I think one of the recipes calls for like a vinegar, and I've used both. I've used vinegar as well, so I'm using both lime and lemon. But if you open up the cabinet, I think throw a little bit of vinegar in too. Okay, so you see I did a little bit of garnish with some of that fresh basil. You could also wait till the end to put the green onions on, but here it is. I like them kind of cooked in, but you could add some on top. So let's see if the son likes it. What'd you think?